Hi folks, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Preventive maintenance again. I'm getting ready to do a water heater system and all that. I was just checking out the flow. Really bad flow on the kitchen sink. I guess we could put this under preventive maintenance. You should be checking these once a month, taking them off. It's a real simple procedure. I'm going to flip it around and show you how bad this one is. All right, so barely any water coming out of that one. There. Look at that. We got some blue, white. We got some nasty stuff in there. All right, so I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna show you the little pile of stuff, but you can pretty much see it right there. I know it don't look like much, but there you go. That came out of there. Let's see if we can get focus in again. That's about the size of a dime, that's garbage. All right, so it's flowing a little better. All right, please, folks, just take your spigots apart and clean them up. You know, you're in there brushing your teeth, take the thing apart. I don't know. It's preventive maintenance. So, all right, now the propane works on the hot water. We're going to give the electric a while. I'm going to go find my amp clamp. That way I can see if the electrode's actually flowing more. Hold on here. Turn it around. I'll show you. Flows a lot better for a couple drips. All right, so it's dark in here. Real tight. All right, this is Jeff. A little bit of preventive maintenance on our faucets and our spigot strainers that are attached. So please take them apart every now and then, clean them up. You'll learn how they're made. Some have a little rubber disc check valve in it that stops the water from backing. I don't know. And you can buy new ones. There you go. Well, I just take mine apart. You think all them filters would catch that stuff, but it don't. All right, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Don't forget there's 4 ways to reach me. One is the YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. Put some comments in there. Maybe something you'd like to see. Second one is on the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. There's an announcement section that'll tell you about the next way you get a hold of me, which is one-on-one troubleshooting through, of course, www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's plural diagnostics. That's where I help you troubleshoot multimeters and all that. You go back on the Facebook page, there's a tool list, and I'm starting to put links of the tools that are helpful and how you use them on the YouTube channel video. So that way you can say, hey, I want to look at this bed of nails Jeff's talking about, and then I make a video how to use it. So you're not just throw it out there with, hey, buy this. All right, and the other one is the garage in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Seaford, Delaware, 19973. And you can get to me through Jeff at rvdiagnostics.com. Email me if you're coming through. Give me a heads up because sometimes I'm out in my RV. So, and I own a 40-footer diesel pusher, and I own a 34-footer Gasser Thor Hurricane. So please, I know your woes. Not just that I work on them, I own them. Thank you again very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. May your campfire burn bright and safe travels. Remember, test, not guess. That's our motto.